Hello and welcome to Flutter Full Stack App Development course. In this course, you will learn and build Tinder dating app clone using Firebase Firestore as backend. You will learn and build all the features which you see in the dating app like Tinder. You will learn and implement all these things in this course. For example, in the Tinder dating app you have different filters. For example, as you know that we can scroll right and we can scroll left, as you can see that. So for example, here on the home screen now we see males and females profile mixed. Okay, let's say as a male, if I want to see only females profiles, then I have to apply the filters where I will select the gender. For example, I'm searching for a male or I'm searching for a female. So if you are, let's say, a male, you are searching for a female, then you will select female. And then from which country you want the people to see their profiles and start dating. So you can select the country from here. Let's say I want to choose from France, so I will select France from the list, and then which age you prefer. So from here you can prefer that age, you can select that, let's say 18 or above 18. So I will simply click on, so I will start seeing profiles from France and all the people whose age is 18 or above than 18. As you can see that Angela Tate is 34 and she is from Nantes, France. She is a police officer, her religion is Buddhism, and she is African ethnicity, and France is the country where she is living. If I scroll right, then I see the profile of Lena Parker. She is from Paris, France. As you can see, she is 36, singer, Christian, Caucasian white is the ethnicity. And if you want to change filters, you can change the filters at any time. For example, I'm searching for a female, let's say, who lives in, let's say, United Kingdom, and here you can choose the age, let's say 30 or above 30. So if I click done, then I will see all the profiles from the United Kingdom whose age is either 30 or greater than 30. Okay, so as you can see, all the profiles whose age is either 30 or greater than 30. You can see that. Now let me show you guys another feature. So as on this phone I am logged in as Isma Marta, and if I show you here, you can see Isma Marta is the online user, and here on this phone I am logged in as John Shelby. So if any user view any other person profile, then that person will receive a push notification. So for example, if Isma Marta view the profile of John Shelby, then John Shelby will receive a notification even if the app is minimized or closed. For example, now if I view John Shelby profile as Isma Marta, you can see that here is John Shelby profile information, and now John Shelby will receive a push notification. So you can see that the notification received, and it says new view title, and then the message is you have received a new view from Isma Marta, click to see. So when you click on the notification, it will open up the app and it will show you the notification in the app as well when the app is opened. As you can see, we have this beautiful notification box where we see the Isma Marta profile image, the name, age, and city and country of Isma Marta. So you can either close this notification, or if you want to see her complete profile, then you can simply click on this view profile, and it will send you to Isma Marta profile screen where you can see all the images uploaded to her profile by Isma Marta, as you can see, and you can see his personal info like name, age, number, city, country, seeking, appearance, height, weight, body type, lifestyle, as you can see. Okay, all the complete information like background, culture, values, all this information you can see here on her complete profile screen. As both the users view each other's profile, so it will also be inside this tab where when John Shelby come here, then to John Shelby here it will display all the profiles which John Shelby view. So profile I view, John Shelby view only is Marta profile now till now. And if I click here on view my profile as John Shelby, then as you know that is Marta view John Shelby profile. Okay, currently there is only one profile. Okay, that is Marta view John Shelby. So also as Isma Marta, if Isma Marta go to this tab, then Isma Marta will see that Isma Marta view only one profile, that is John Shelby, and the profile of Isma Marta is viewed by one person, and that is John Shelby. So if any other user, any user view your profile, those profile will be visible here inside this view my profile tab. And if you view someone else's profiles, then those profiles will be visible here inside the profile I view. Then comes the next feature when you mark someone as your favorite. So for example, as Isma Marta, here is online user, okay, and here on this phone currently John Shelby is online. So let's say Isma Marta is busy, let's say in searching for profiles, persons, and let's say here John Shelby is busy in searching profiles. So let's say if John Shelby like Isma Marta profile, then John Shelby will simply mark this profile as their favorite, or John Shelby can send her like. Okay, so let's check the favorite feature first. Even if the app is open and when John Shelby send Isma Marta favorite, that is, let's say John Shelby mark Isma Marta as their favorite, so on Isma Marta phone she will receive a notification which says John Shelby country and city, profile image, and two buttons which is close and view my profile. So Isma Marta receive a favorite from John Shelby. If you click on view my profile, then here you will see the John Shelby profile. That is, Isma Marta see that this person whose name is John Shelby, here is his complete profile information. So this person sent a favorite to Isma Marta. Also you can verify it from here. If you click here, then I am their favorite tab, which simply means that those people who mark you as your favorite. So Isma Marta is marked as favorite by John Shelby. So that's why in the Isma Marta phone, when Isma Marta come here to this tab which is I am their favorite, so Isma Marta now see that I am marked as favorite by John Shelby. And if John Shelby go to the favorites, then John Shelby will see that my favorites, that is people who is marked by John Shelby himself, here he will see his favorites, that is to which people he sent favorites or marked them as their favorites. So inside my favorites tab to John Shelby, Isma Marta is showing. However, inside the I am their favorite, there is 0 favorites since John Shelby is not yet marked favorite by anyone. So for example, now if on the Isma Marta phone, if Isma Marta go back to the home screen and let's say Isma Marta also mark John Shelby as their favorite, even if the app is minimized or closed. So let's say if Isma Marta mark John Shelby, so you can see that the notification arrived which says you have received a new favorite from Isma Marta, click to see. So when John Shelby click on this notification, it will show that Isma Marta, the location and all the details. So you can either close or you can view Isma Marta profile as John Shelby. Okay, he is the current online user. So let's close this, and now if I go back to the favorite and if I click on this I am their favorite, then here it will show me Isma Marta profile as she marked me as her favorite as well. Okay, so John Shelby is now Isma Marta favorite as well, as you can see that now. And also if you come here, and here you can see my favorites, John Shelby to Isma Marta, it is showing that John Shelby is your favorite as she also marked John Shelby as her favorite. And I'm their favorite, that is John Shelby also mark Isma Marta as his favorite. So you can either view any profile or you can either mark any user as your favorite. For example, if I marked this Emma Watson as my favorite, okay, as you can see And now if I go to my favorites, so to John Shelby, it is showing that Emma Watson is also your favorite. Similarly, you can just mark anyone as your favorite as you want. So for example, if I mark this one profile, then it will be inside my favorite as well, as you can see that. Then comes the like feature, that is if your profile is liked by someone, or if you liked someone else's profiles, so that will appear here. Okay, if you like some profiles, then it will appear here. If you are liked by anyone else, then that will appear here. Similarly here in case of Isma Marta, okay, I mean for any user. So for example, as you know, here Isma Marta is the online user, and then here you already know John Shelby is the online user. So let's say, for example, if I liked Isma Marta profile, even if the app is minimized or closed, okay, so John Shelby is going to like Isma Marta. So if I liked, then a push notification will be sent to Isma Marta phone. You can see that you have received a new like from John Shelby. Click to see. So if Isma Marta click on it, then it will open up the notification in the app, that is John Shelby, the city, country, and view profile, close. So here you can see that. So if you want, of course, Isma Marta can see the profile, or if Isma Marta want, Isma Marta can close this notification. And if Isma Marta go to the likes, then liked me, that is like received, we have to check. So the like which is received by Isma Marta, there is only one like, and which is by John Shelby. So John Shelby liked Isma Marta profile currently, and there is no other one which is that is Isma Marta do not like anyone else yet. As you can see, it is empty. However, she is liked by one person, and that is John Shelby. Similarly, if John Shelby come here, then inside the John Shelby my likes, John Shelby like Isma Marta, and John Shelby is not yet liked by anyone else. As you can see, it is now empty. So let's say if Isma Marta also like John Shelby back, okay, so Isma Marta will click on the like button. So even if the app is open and Isma Marta when click liked, then the notification will be sent to John Shelby phone that Isma Marta likes you, okay. Even I can unlike back, and if I like again, then the push notification will be now sent to the John Shelby phone, that is you have received a new like from Isma Marta. So when John Shelby click on the notification, it will open up the app and it will display the push notification, that is the dialog box. Okay, now if John Shelby go here and also check this liked me, then Isma Marta like John Shelby now. Similarly, let's say I'm going to log in as another user. So currently I am logged in now as Pooja Sharma, okay. So let's say, so if Pooja Sharma likes John Shelby profile, so she will click here on the like button, and John Shelby will receive that Pooja Sharma liked. Now from where John Shelby will know? If John Shelby come here, then liked me, you can see that Pooja Sharma liked John Shelby. Even if Pooja Sharma now marked John Shelby as favorite, even if the app is closed, then in that case John Shelby will receive the push notification. As you can see, the notification received, you have received a new favorite from Pooja Sharma. So Pooja Sharma also marked John Shelby as favorite. So if John Shelby go to the favorites, then inside I am their favorite, John Shelby will see that Pooja Sharma marked John Shelby as her favorite. And then after it comes the chatting feature. So let's say if Pooja Sharma wants to chat with John Shelby now, then Pooja Sharma can click on this chat button. So when Pooja Sharma click on it, it will open up in the chat screen. So the chat screen here is a default message from Pooja Sharma, that is which the app suggests, that is, hey, I found your profile on dating app, let's hang out. So you can send, that is Pooja Sharma can now send message to John Shelby, and you see that John Shelby received the notification for chat. So now if I open up that notification, hey, I found your profile on dating app, let's hang out. So if I click on that notification, it will open up the chat in John Shelby phone, and John Shelby can then reply, that is, hey, let's say, how are you? Yes, let's say thank you, or anything. I mean, you can type. So let's send. Okay, so then you can just start sending messages to each other, that is to any profile you want. So you will learn all these things in this course. Then the next thing is the user profile settings, that is the user can see his own profile, the images the user has uploaded. As you can see, we have this beautiful image slider where the user can see his own pictures as well, as you can see. Then of course the user can view his own personal info, appearance, lifestyle, and background cultural values information. If the user wants to edit, then the user can click here. The user can start selecting images which the user wants to upload or update. So let's say if I want to update, I will choose images from my phone, any multiple images you can choose. Let's choose different quickly. So I choose these 5 images. Then of course if you want, you can edit any information here which you want to update related to your appearance, lifestyle, personal info, and all the things. Okay, so let's say if I want to update my age to, let's say, so then you can simply click on update in order to update your profile information. So now if you go to your profile, then here you can see that your profile images, your images has been updated, as you can see, with the newer ones, and also your information, as you can see, age, all the information are now updated, as you can see that. So yeah, you will learn all these things in this course, and if you want, you can log out from the app, where let's say if you are a new user, then you can sign up here by creating a new account, filling all this form, selecting your profile image. Okay, and if you have already an account, then you can log in back to the app from the login screen. So I hope you will love this course, and yeah, see you guys in the course. Bye for now.